Yes, hello. My name I'm called Morris, the crochet master, and today I have something very small I would like to share with you. Yeah, and I'm going to be plating the folks logs, and our our guest today, I'm going to be plating my sweet daughter. She's called Chanel Karunji. So follow me as we are doing this step by step. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. I love you so much. Yes, hello everyone. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Like I promise, every Wednesday, Friday, I'm going to be giving showing you how you can plait hair, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can make how you can create yourself crochets, or how you can plait anything concerning about hair. So for today's lesson, I'm going to be plaiting my daughter. Yes, she's called Chanel Karunji, and I'm going to be plaiting her the fox locks. Yes, I want to look at me very careful, because people think that fox locks are painful, but if that painful, I couldn't be plaiting her. But I realized I think it's the best hair that you can do, and since it always blend with the natural hair, so it is very nice. And Chanel has got the natural hair, so I think this style can look good for her. So excuse me. Yeah, I'm trying to plait. First, when you're plaiting the fox locks, I'm going to be using crochets. Yeah, but plaiting them one. Most people use like the kinky, the Afro kinky or kinky, but for me, this time I'm going to use the crochet. Yes, but I'm going to plait it one because I know it is too flexible, and I think it will be fast and it won't hurt at all. So as when you're hooking, make sure that you be somehow very gentle, for this is the kid. Yes, so you hook when you're done. After hooking, you see how I'm doing it. After locking, I get the hair and I put it inside, just like that. So if there's something here, as you're saying, I'll hook it like that, and when I pull it down at the end, then I pull the hair inside at the end. And you can see when you're plaiting the braids with her hair, make sure that you leave that space. You leave that space for the crochet to lock it. So as you're seeing how I'm doing it, very simple and faster, as you can see. Yes, this is how it is. So I like yes, I call up to everyone to everyone watching, don't forget to subscribe the Hair Zipper YouTube channel, because every time you'll be the first to see all my videos. So make sure you subscribe, and you can tell your friend to do the same if you want to like we be sharing ideas on how we can plait our hair. This is how it is. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. You just lock and you put the hair inside just like that. You see? So this is why I'm telling you that it is very, very simple and easy for your child to have it. Yes. I want to shout out to my friends that have been my students. Yeah, there is Dora. Yeah, there is Cisse. And big up to Nelly. And yeah, thank you so much for subscribing Hair Zipper. And we're doing this every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'm going to be dropping out some videos of styling and makeup. That one will be Monday. Yeah, it will be Monday and Thursday. So it's going to be massive. Better subscribe now so that you can watch all those. So when I'm done with my crochet, as you can see, it was very fast and it's flexible. She can hold puff, and I think she's going to enjoy it at school because I know her. She likes her very, very much. And when I'm done with that, I'm trying to put some gel for her baby hair. Yes, as you're saying. Yeah, just like that. So when I'm done, I think she's good to go. She's good to go. And I love the hair already. I love the look. This is how it is. So I call up to everyone that please try to keep subscribing Hair Zipper for more crochets and other hairstyles. I'm here for you, and anything that you'll need to ask, just ask. I'll be there to answer all your questions. I love you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is how it is, and I'm done. See you next time. I love you so much. God bless.
The zipper curl.